Like Deepika is a state level badminton player and Ranveer is a national level sex offender. It's lovely. It's beautiful. But you know what, Karan? Ranveer is not going to admit it, but Kuch Kuch Hota Hai is one of his favorite films, all-time favorite films ever. Like even today, that film makes him reach out for a box of tissues because he's the only guy who will jerk off to Farida Jalal. I mean, it was either her or Reema Lagoo, you know. But you know, jokes aside, ladies and gentlemen, jokes aside, I just want to say that these guys are awesome for doing this. You guys are such sports. This would not have been possible without you guys. Round of applause for Ranveer Arjun. This would not have been possible without you because I've never seen somebody with as fucked up careers. Thank you so much. You guys have been great. Cheers.
Ladies and gentlemen, our next roaster is the loud, classless tumor responsible for the roadies. Look at you, you bald, angry bastard. You look like Vishal Dadlani got chemo. Please welcome on stage the human gonad, Raghuram.
Thank you. Thank you so much. I was very nervous coming here, being the only non-comic here along with Raju Masan. I thought this would be new. But there's something very nice and comforting and familiar about this. Only thing is the last time I saw so many choots in one place, I was auditioning there. AIB, you fuckers sit here and diss me and roadies when basically you have the same philosophy with your videos. Gaaliyan do, lakho chutiye dekhenge. Bhosadi ke. I just gave you 50 more views. But congrats on putting up this fuck-all show. No wonder you put it in town, otherwise our friend Rohan would never be here, you towny bastard. He's so towny, he thinks Malad is something lawyers say in court. And you dare make fun of my illiterate audience. The only way you can get Tanmay to read anything printed on paper is to serve him bail in it. Karan, I watched My Name is Khan the other day. Khan, am I saying it right? Khan from the Epiglottis. I must say, your film is shit. Shit from the anus. Fun fact, my wife played a character in your film. Did you know that? I almost divorced her over it. Then I did Tismar Khan, so now we're even. That brings me to the girls of the hour, the belles of the ball, Ranveer and Arjun. You've been an inspiration to the youth of this country. You guys send out the message loud and clear that if you work hard and if you persevere, then one day you too can suck Adi Chopra's cock. And Ranveer, I'm not saying Arjun is getting sick of you, but soon he's going to leave you for Virat Kohli. In Lutera, Ranveer digs a really long underground tunnel somewhere in Bengal. I like that film. And it only goes to prove that no matter how remote, dangerous or smelly, if there is a hole, Ranveer Singh will enter it. On a serious note, thank you so much for letting me do this. Ranveer and Arjun, you're the nicest, sweetest, most sporting set of cunting Chodu Bhagat Landfakit bastards I've ever met. Cheers.
Our next roaster then, ladies and gentlemen, is Gursimran Khamba. Please give it up for the funniest guy in AIB after Tanmay, Rohan and Ashish, Gursimran Khamba.
Give it up for Karan Johar, guys. Give it up for Karan Johar. Like many in the industry have. Raghu Ram is here. When Raghu met Karan backstage, Karan was like, "Nahi, touch up nahi chahiye, please fuck off." Raghu, you also did a season of roadies in the United States. Congratulations, man. Congratulations on being the biggest bunch of assholes to enter the United States since 9/11. Rohan Joshi is here, Rohan Joshi. The only reason Rohan Joshi is a part of AIB is because he's cute. Seriously, Rohan, how does it feel to be the Rahul Gandhi of AIB? It's nice. It's sweet. Tanmay Bhatt is here. Really sensitive man, Tanmay Bhatt. When Tanmay Bhatt is lonely, he doesn't go on Tinder. He goes on Zomato. Rajiv Masand is here. Rajiv Masand. Seriously, Masando, stop calling yourself a journalist. Every time you call yourself a journalist, ISIS beheads a real one. Alia in the front row has no idea what the fuck ISIS is. No idea. Not a fuck. Alia, just to clarify, on your products in the kitchen, that is the ISI mark, that is different. ISIS is a terrorist organization. Abhish Mathew is here, Abhish Mathew. Abhish Mathew is so Catholic, once he's done masturbating, it takes 3 days for his dick to resurrect. Aditi Mittal is here, Aditi Mittal, an actress. Aditi Mittal is the only actress where if you Google Aditi Mittal hot pics, Google is like, bhai tu aaj bina hilaye so ja, please, please. Relax. Please. Please yaar, please. Sharam kar. Advanced setting mein kuch, at least incognito mode to chala le yaar, please, like. Ashish Shakya is here, Ashish Shakya. Ashish Shakya is so black, his girlfriend gives him a blowjob every time she craves kala khatta. Ashish spends a lot of time at Juhu Beach. But seriously, Karan, director, producer, writer, actor, you're like 4 guys in one. Exactly how you like it. But seriously, you know, Karan Johar is now best friends with Anurag Kashyap, so he can get some like indie cred. It's the first time in Bollywood someone has slept their way to the bottom. It's... And now for the men of the hour. The men of the hour, Ranveer Singh and Arjun Kapoor. Ranveer Singh and Arjun Kapoor. You know, Arjun Kapoor failed the 12th standard and then lost. But seriously, I want to... अगर कुछ नया लिख के लाया होता तो बॉलीवुड में नहीं होता यार अर्जुन. But seriously, Arjun has failed 12th standard and after that he lost a lot of weight. He's Smriti Irani in reverse. Alias Smriti Irani is a MP, okay? You know, honestly, we wanted to get Ranveer Kapoor for the show, but we could only manage Ranveer. Which is also what Deepika did, so I guess it's fine, I guess it's okay. It's okay. But I want to say this, thank you very much Arjun and Ranveer. This wouldn't have been possible without you. And your PR team's dedication to making you two look cool. Thank you very much, thank you very much.
Our next roaster, ladies and gentlemen, is Rohan Joshi. Rohan Joshi recently moved from Malabar Hill to Santa Cruz. That's like moving from Ranveer Kapoor to Ranveer Singh. That's the stupidest thing I've ever heard. Who does that? So please welcome the worst thing to happen to the Gujaratis since Tarak Mehta, Rohan Joshi.
Oh, holy crap, look at all these Bollywood people in the front row looking scandalized. Last time I saw a bunch of Bollywood people look this scandalized, they'd just been told they have to earn awards, not buy them. Why are they saying in public what we say at parties? Karan Johar, how's it going? Karan Johar, fantastic host, yes. Karan, you are exactly like the movies you make. You both have massive openings. Karan, your filmography, all right? Let me do this. कुछ कुछ होता है, कल हो ना हो, कभी खुशी कभी गम, कभी अलविदा ना कहना. Dude, you are so obsessed with the letter K, you probably snort potassium. Alia, don't even try. Don't even try. All right? Just let it be. But seriously, Karan, Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gham is the worst fucking thing I have ever seen. It is the worst thing that Amitabh Bachchan has ever been in. And he's been in a fucking coma, dude. Let's talk some more about Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gham. Yes, in Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gham, an enormously fat child magically grows up to be Hrithik Roshan. You bastard, you ruined Tanmay's life. You bastard! You ruined his life! He just sat there for 10 years wondering when he'd transform. And now look at him. Tanmay Bhatt, good friend of mine, how's it going, man? Tanmay Bhatt, ladies and gentlemen, Tanmay Bhatt is so fat, his small intestine is his large intestine. And his large intestine is Mukesh Ambani. Abish Matthew is here. How's it going, man? You good? You sweet virginal boy. Abish Matthew is such a virgin that in 5 days he's going to give birth to Jesus. Unfortunately, Abish Matthew is also so ugly that Jesus doesn't love him. He just wants to be friends. Gursimran Khamba, what's up, man? Ladies, huh? Oh, all the cheap seats are yelling. Fun fact, Gursimran Khamba's dad's name, I am not making this up, is Manmohan Singh. I'm not making this up. This just goes to show that if your name is Manmohan Singh, zindagi mein ek chutiye bacche ko to palna hi padega. Ashish Shakya, represent. Just speaking in your accent. But seriously, Ashish Shakya is so black, he should be sitting in a Swiss bank account. Ashish Shakya is so black, a white cop got away with killing him. Raghuram of Roadies fame. Raghu, you dedicated an entire decade of your life to giving one uneducated child every year a shitty motorcycle. You're like Muslim Santa Claus.